The adventure of 3D printing is really exciting for me. We cooperate with different companies, from automotive to medical, aerospace. I'm head of quality control and testing of Prusa Pro, where we focus on industrial printers. For the 3D printing, I use Memmert UF30 and UF55 to dry our filaments. Prusa is based in Prague, in the Czech Republic. We provide B2C and B2B printers, everything you would need to start your 3D printing journey. HT90 is for engineers which want precise printers that can provide amazing prints ranging from PLA to PEEK. The start of the process is choosing the right filament. Some of them are hygroscopic, so it's crucial to dry your filaments. You have to be precise with the temperature or the part will be unreliable and it could eliminate itself. Also, you can over-dry your filament and it can become brittle, which you don't want. I had bad experience with some dryer. I had really expensive filaments inside one dryer, and the next day I got to work, they were all melted. So that was the point where I decided that I need some better equipment for my work. I chose Memmert for its temperature uniformity and stability of the temperature, which is also crucial in the annealing process. In short, annealing is you put the finished part in the oven and you increase temperature in increments of 10 Celsius. You stabilize it at some temperature and then you let it stably cool down. This process will give you stronger parts, better Z adhesion, and it will remove the stresses in the part. If your temperature would fluctuate, you could damage your print, which is not the outcome you want. Memmert ovens provide great uniformity of the environment in the oven. You will have the same temperature and same environment in every corner of the oven. I do a lot of testing with different kinds of filaments, so it's always nice to have easy access. With few touches you can set up your temperature, maybe fun, also flat. It's just about what you want. We offer the Memmert oven on our website for the HT90 because Prusa stands for quality, and to be honest, I think it's crucial for the HT90 to have a really strong partner like the Memmert oven. You need top-notch quality with top-notch printer, and I think that's what Memmert can offer.